Hello, my friend. Welcome to the English Corner by Kay. Have you ever noticed that before speaking English, you first think in your native language and then translate it? Today, we're going to start changing that. Welcome to the Think in English Challenge, Day 1 of 3. Over the next 3 days, we'll train our brains to think directly in English. Day 1 is all about everyday thoughts, the simple things you naturally think from the moment you wake up until you go to bed. Tomorrow, in Day 2, we'll practice thinking in English about our feelings and emotions. Don't translate, just listen, think, and repeat. I'll say each sentence twice. Listen carefully, repeat confidently, and imagine yourself in each situation. Relax, listen, speak. Ready? Let's begin with the morning thoughts. I'm awake. I'm awake. Just 5 more minutes. Just 5 more minutes. I need to get up. I need to get up. What time is it? What time is it? It's already morning. It's already morning. I slept well. I slept well. I'm still sleepy. I'm still sleepy. Time to get ready. Time to get ready. Today is going to be a good day. Today is going to be a good day. Let's get started. Let's get started. Great job! We've just finished the morning thoughts. Now, let's move on to the thoughts we have while getting ready. I need a shower. I need a shower. The water is too cold. The water is too cold. That's much better. That's much better. What should I wear today? What should I wear today? This looks good. This looks good. Where are my keys? Where are my keys? Where's my phone? Where's my phone? I can't find it. I can't find it. There it is. There it is. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Nice work. Nice work. You're doing great. You're doing great. Next, let's practice the thoughts we have during the day. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. Let me have some water. Let me have some water. I'll eat later. I'll eat later. I need to focus. I need to focus. Let me think. Let me think. I'll do this first. I'll do this first. One step at a time. One step at a time. I almost forgot. I almost forgot. Let me check. Let me check. Excellent. Now let's move on to some positive and motivating thoughts we can tell ourselves every day. I can do this. I can do this. I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best. I'll keep going. I'll keep going. Don't give up. Don't give up. I'm getting better. I'm getting better. Mistakes help me learn. Mistakes help me learn. I'll try again. I'll try again. Every day is a new chance. Every day is a new chance. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself. Keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. Wonderful. We've almost reached the end. Now let's finish with some peaceful thoughts we have in the evening before going to bed. What a busy day. What a busy day. I'm tired. I'm tired. I need some rest. I need some rest. That was a good day. That was a good day. I learned something today. I learned something today. I'm grateful for today. I'm grateful for today. Tomorrow will be better. Tomorrow will be better. Time to relax. Time to relax. It's time to sleep. It's time to sleep. I'll get a fresh start tomorrow. I'll get a fresh start tomorrow. Fantastic job. You've just completed day 1 of the Think in English challenge. Now keep practicing these thoughts until they start coming to you naturally. The more you think in English, the more confidently you'll speak it. Don't miss day 2. We'll learn how to think in English about our feelings and emotions so you can express yourself more naturally in everyday conversations. If you enjoyed this practice, give this video a like, subscribe to the English Corner by Kay, and I'll see you in day 2 of the challenge. Until then, keep listening, keep thinking, and keep speaking in English. Bye.